大家好，我是山东国际传播中心的海外拍客石真源。那我同时呢也是海信中东非洲区的一员。那现在呢，我们位于的是海信阿联酋迪拜的办公室。那接下来就让我们一起看一下我们海信的小伙伴的声音吧。Let's go. Morning， 大家。
Hi Yufi, how are you?
Hi, good. Do you have anything interesting, or you wanna share with us that you after you join Hisense?
There are a lot of things, honestly, and it's a long journey, and I'm very happy to share with you my experience with Hisense. This year I'll be completing 10 years of service here. So the way we have seen Hisense has grown in this region, it is really remarkable. Despite of all the challenges in the region, the brand and the products of Hisense has been very remarkable in this market. And one of the good things is that the local consumers, they understand the brand and the product very well. And with this, I'm very proud to say that now Hisense in several product segments, we are number one in the MEA region. And the second thing is, which is good for us, is that Hisense is the sponsor for FIFA. And this region is people, they are very passionate about FIFA, soccer. So that has really helped us a lot to build the brand and the business. And the story is continuing, and we have much more to achieve in future. So I'm really excited to be a part of this growth journey in Hisense.
Hello, Mr. Ismail.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Fine. What about you?
Do you have any interesting thing you want to share with us after you join Hisense?
Oh, this is a big question. Yes, for sure. I have many things.
Yeah.
Many things. Actually, I joined Hisense in the year 2020. And at that time, I was not expecting that I will have many interesting experiences I gained after I joined Hisense. I became very part of the Chinese culture. I was very happy to learn the Chinese culture, which is very human-oriented, family-oriented, and this was reflected into my even personal life. My family life was getting more and more engagement.
Rooted in Dubai, reaching markets across the Middle East and Africa. In September 2024, Hisense's Middle East and Africa R&D Center was officially launched in Dubai. This is Hisense's first comprehensive R&D center in the Middle East and Africa. It focuses precisely on local climate conditions and user needs, with an emphasis on developing green, energy efficient products. Next, let's take a closer look.
So I joined Hisense in 2016, so it's been almost 10 years. I joined Hisense as a sales manager for UAE. So when I joined Hisense, the brand awareness of Hisense was low in this region, and the market was dominated by the Korean Japanese companies. The combined share was around 80%. This year, end of 2025, we became the number 2 brand in the cooling category in the UAE, and we are number 2 or number 3 brands in Oman and Bahrain and Iraq. Also, we have gained a substantial market share in the region. Thank you.
To keep up with the ever-changing market competition, the R&D team has many young talents, certainly.
我是一个年轻人，我是99年的。那在迪拜这个全球品牌角逐的一个高地，海信迪拜给我带来的不仅仅是职业平台的跃迁，更是一个思维方式的彻底重塑。那么在加入海信迪拜之后，我觉得最为重要的就是一个 ownership。只有真正的拥有 ownership， 去主动跟进，去死磕，才能达到甚至超越预期。我也在不断的进化自己的思考方式，追求现状、问题再到验证的一个严密逻辑。那么同时，作为产品线经理，也要保持一个好奇心，一个对技术、对市场的一个好奇心。新的显示技术、新的 AI 技术，正是这种钻研的劲头呢，让我们在推广一些 RGB 的高端产品的时候，让我的同事、让我的团队可以更有底气的去打动高端用户以及高端客户。
加入海信之后呢，对我最大的变化就是视野和节奏。来到海信之后，我接触到了全球化品牌的完整体系，无论从研发、制造到品牌建设都非常的系统化尤其是看到了研发中心和实验中心对于产品做的各种极端环境的测试，因为这里的夏天动辄50度以上，对空调的可靠性要求非常高。 而且我们有很多产品在设计阶段就已经针对这些工况做了强化所以说这样子会让我们对我们自己产品更有信心。
These Hisense colleagues from different countries and with diverse backgrounds work side by side with the same dream. Together, we strive for far-reaching goals over the decades. Hisense has grown in the Middle East and African markets from a new name to a familiar brand. We have evolved from simply exporting products to building an integrated system of production, sales, and R&D, from winning the recognition of customers to becoming a well-known local Chinese brand. Behind all this is the silent dedication and utmost effort of every employee.